You've got a document, this one, and this is actually multiple 3 in your work files, and it's ready for print. Let's go ahead and go up to the word View on the pull-down menu and go down to Rulers, Show Rulers, or press Ctrl-R. I'm measuring in inches, which is all right if you're from the United States, and basically I'm going out to print with this, but I want to repurpose this. This is the cool thing about Adobe Illustrator. If this is a native vector, you can do just about anything with it you want. We want to also put this in a different form on the internet. So I need to change the measurement system. Now there's a couple of ways that we can do this. If you have a tool selected that supports it up here, you're going to see Document Setup right there. Or if you don't see Document Setup up here, that's fine. Go to the word File and go down to Document Setup. One of the areas is right here, Units. You say, well, if I'm going to put this on the internet, I need to measure it in a system that supports that, and that would be pixels. And again, you could click OK down here. There you go. You've just changed it. But there is obviously a much easier way to do this, if you don't mind shortcut keys. If you right-click your mouse in the ruler, you can change it to anything you want to right up here. That's kind of a down and dirty way to do it, but it's the easiest. If you go into Preferences, now that would be Illustrator on a Mac, Edit on a Windows system. If you go into Preferences and go into your units right here, if you change it here, you're not changing it for the document, you're changing it for the program. Every time you open up a new document from that point forward, it would use this measurement system. However, if you've already got a document saved, and the document was saved, say, in inches, then it would always open up in inches. So Preferences for new documents, Document Setup here, or by right-clicking your mouse right here, is a very easy way to change the measurement system. One more thing. Let's say while we're doing our measuring up here, what we want to do is measure, say, exactly maybe 1 inch, since we're in inches, exactly 1 inch from colors over this way. So you say, okay, the 0 point I know is right here. There's 0 there, and there's a 0 over here. Let me move that down a little so you can see that. So here's the 0, 0. I call this the Genesis point. So first of all, I've got to measure from here to here, and then from that point forward, it would be 1 inch from there. And I don't want to do that. That's math. Do this. Pick up this little button, that is a button, right there in the upper left-hand corner, and drag down. You get a T-square. Now put that, say, right about there, and then let go. Now what you have done is changed where the 0 points are. So if I now have an object and I move it 1 inch, it will be 1 inch from there, not from up here. If I want to set it back again, double-click that same little button right here. It'll take it right back for you. Another way to use the rulers in a very creative way. On to the next.